Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you an amazing AI tool called CrisperWhisper. If you have used OpenAI's Whisper for turning speech into text, you know it is great, but CrisperWhisper is even better. It is faster, it fixes mistakes, and it can even catch every single and ah you say. I have created a ready-to-use Google Colab notebook for you. Let's jump right in. First, we open Google Colab. Make sure your GPU is turned on. We start by clicking Run on the first cell to install the library. Then, in the second cell, we download a sample audio file to test.
Okay, so everything's. Oh, the microphone adjustments. We should check. Would you check the microphone adjustments, please? Is Marissa's close enough? Could we look? But I mean, also to get what you said about it. Is it close? Okay, all right. But he's like the expert, and I don't know exactly.
He hoped there would be stew for dinner, turnips and carrots and bruised potatoes and fat mutton pieces to be ladled out in thick, peppered, flour-fattened sauce.
Finally, let's make it super fast using speculative decoding. The large model is very smart, but a little slow. The turbo model is incredibly fast, but less accurate. What if we use both? The turbo model quickly guesses the words, and the large model quickly checks them. This gives you the best quality, but it runs much faster. Just look at this speed test result. CrisperWhisper is a total game changer for text transcription. You can find the link to this exact Colab notebook in the description below so you can try it yourself. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials. See you next time.